did miss something, they're probably not going to be as mad. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. That's one of our little strategies on the back end that we do. It works really well, super effective. So
grow your cleaning business, make more money, have more time. This is the Profit Cleaners Podcast with your hosts, Brandon Condry and Brandon Shane.
hey guys, Brandon Shane with the Profit Cleaners, and just got another quick video for you today. We're going to be talking about, well, I got a question for you. What are you doing to retain your customers and to reward your customers for being customers and to keep those recurring customers on board? Because really that's the bread and butter of any cleaning business, is recurring customers, right? So what are you doing to incentivize your customers to talk about your business or to be excited about continuing to work with you? And so one of the things I want to show you guys that we kind of do behind the scenes that not a lot of people know that we do, but it has a huge impact, I think, on customer satisfaction and the customer experience, is we do a little leave behind. And you can do this in all sorts of ways. You can leave behind local chocolates, local coffee, local different things like that we're excited, a little gift look forward to, kind of like one of those subscription boxes or something. So whatever it might be, you can get creative with this, and we're actually testing stuff pretty frequently to see what works and what gets people excited. But for the most part, you also have to be budget conscious and think of what's something kind of inexpensive that we could leave behind that would make people an impression on people that would be remarkable. So one of those things I'm going to share, I'm going to pull my camera around right here, is these flowers that you see right here. Okay, so these we get delivered every single day. These are all from a local florist that we work with here in Albuquerque. As you can see, the flowers come on these little, they come in these little tubes here. And the florist does all this for us. They drop them off like this. And then we actually created these little flower stands here that say, you know, some branding, some social, some marketing for us, some social proof, some awards that we've won with our brand. And it'll tell them like a shout out or something to do. Sometimes we'll have them vote, you know, tell them to vote for us for some contest or win something, or tell a friend and they'll get a free clean. So you can get super creative with it, but essentially it's just a nice little leave behind. Think of it like, you know, if a customer were to get home and something were kind of a little bit off, maybe we missed something, which, you know, totally could happen. We're not perfect. This is just a really nice way to not only like have a signature that we leave behind so people know we were there, we cleaned the house, you know, just a nice little treat, little thing for them to look forward to, but also it kind of offsets that emotion. If indeed we did miss something and we have to go back and re-clean it and fix it, they're probably not going to be as mad. They're probably not going to leave as negative a review, or maybe it'll kind of bypass the negative review altogether because they're like, I mean, just think of like when you get flowers, how often do you even get flowers? And if you did get flowers, it would probably make your day, right? So think of something you could do for your business that would make an impact on your customers, that would be remarkable, and that would kind of give that wow factor, right? And this is actually a great word of mouth marketing piece too, because after you're done cleaning, what's the conversation going on? People come over to the customer's house and say, wow, your home looks so clean. Or wow, what's that flower doing up there on your mantle? Oh, well, this company just cleaned my house. By the way, I love this company. They leave flowers for me, or they leave chocolate for me, or they leave every month, they leave something new for me, which we're experimenting with, just leaving different things behind, kind of like one of those subscription gift boxes that you look forward to every month, right? So what can you do to be remarkable with your customers? What could you leave behind for retention purposes, to keep retention, to keep people talking about you even after the fact, and just to create an even richer, more fulfilling customer experience that people love, that they look forward to you coming to even more so now, because it just makes their day. So what can you do to make your customers happy? That's what it comes down to. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. That's one of our little strategies on the back end that we do. It works really well, super effective. So hopefully you guys, helps you out, and you can implement something like that in your business starting right away. So.